Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you Speedy List Profits review. So what actually is Speedy List Profits? Guys, Speedy List Profits is the perfect list building program for internet marketers in today's economy. Creator of this training course program is Speedy List Profits, Lamar Stephens, and this training course program goes live on 22nd of August 11 am EST. Right now I'm in the sales page Speedy List Profits. Guys, I'm going to show you step by step all the information. I'm going to show you what you will get inside the members area. I'm going to show you pricing and OTOs that no one can share with you, so please don't skip this video. Stay tuned. I'm going to show you everything, guys. Okay. Speedy List Profits is the complete list building training course with 4 classes that break down every tactic for you in simple terms right on your screen. Professionally produced list building lessons that you can follow along. You will be learning from internet marketing experts who want to help you and truly care about your success. Receive instant access right in your members area, where you can watch the videos at your leisure whenever you want. And each lesson teaches you the basic concepts and walks you through the steps to execute the process. You will finally have peace of mind with a solid grasp on your business. Okay, here is what you get inside the members area, guys. Exactly. Guys, this training course have 4 modules. So module number 1 is successful email marketing. Successful email marketing, this is the module number 1. Right now I'm just quickly introduce. You will discover the proper way to stay on the top of your daily email marketing without wasting your time or upsetting your subscribers. Learn the little known email breakpoints to ensure you take your subscribers through the exact 7-step process to get them to click the order button. And discover how to create effective subject lines without being deceptive that gain trust and get your email is opened. Okay guys, and learn how to format your emails correctly so they read correctly on animation and get you even more clicks. And guys, master reader engagement and the art of storytelling so you can finally reap the rewards and notoriety of being seen as an expert. And module number 2, email blasting. This is the email blasting training course, module number 2. You will learn the proper way to bulk mail all of your subscribers at the same time without getting filtered into the spam folder by their email service. Discover how to segment your leads that ensure every single email that you send has the potential to lead to a sale. And take it to the next level and learn how to discover your voice so you can build a following of raving fans. Guys, if you want to learn more about this training course, Speedy List Profits, link in my video description below. Just click the link and check out step by step all the information here. And learn why you should never be afraid to email your subscribers and discover how to make sure your subscribers will look forward to opening your emails no matter how many emails you send. And finally, use our proven email templates that will maximize opens, clicks and sales. And guys, module number 3, email sequencing. Here is the module number 3 information what you will learn inside the members area of module number 3. Right now I'm just introduced. You will learn the fastest and easiest method for creating autoresponder sequences that make your money long term on cruise control, and learn how to squeeze every last drop of sales juice out of your subscribers. Once you master this, you will cash in big. And discover the different level of subscriber and how to take them from a level 1 non-buyer to a level 5 committed buyer. Utilize the tools provided by your autoresponder to master the art of email sequencing and segmenting, so you can gain the maximum income from every single subscriber. Copy these proven automation rules to ensure everything runs smoothly without you lifting a finger. And here is module number 4, guys, the final module of this training course, Marketing Email Anatomy. Marketing Email Anatomy module. Unlock the expert copywriting secrets to crafting emails that get opened and get clicks repeatedly. Learn how to put together a winning autoresponder sequence that gains trust and leads to sales. Discover how to create the right mix of content and marketing so you can keep them from unsubscribing. And learn this surefire way to create your own personal email sequences to ensure that you will always have a consistent follow-up emails, cross-sales, and affiliate sales coming in. Increase control. Now it's time to wash, rinse, and repeat so you can really scale your business and generate a consistent follow-up affiliate sales coming in on Increase control. Guys, this is the overview of this 4 module on this course, Speedy List Profits, and this will help you guys. Believe me, this training course will change your life. If you are struggling to make money from online, you must need a proper email list, and you can use it how to send emails, how to get more click-through reads, so they will teach you exactly the same thing that you need. Okay guys, if you purchase this training course, you will get all this bonus. You will receive these bonuses. This is the vendor bonus number 1, the Speedy List Profits ebook, the perfect complement to your video course, and bonus number 2, the Speedy List Profits worksheets stay in perfect sync with the video course. And you can buy with confidence because they will provide 100% 30 days money back guarantee. And the price is only $9.95. This is the one-time payment, guys, no recurring payment here. This is the one-time payment. You can purchase this training course, and if you want to really build your own email list, this is very, very important for you. And if you want to really make money every single month, you must need a build a proper email list. Okay guys, and the price, the OTO of this training course is $27 and $37. 2 OTOs you can see inside the members area when you purchase this Speedy List Profits training course. And here, as you can see, you really have nothing to lose. The rock solid 30-day money back guarantee, guys. Take this entire course on a test drive for a while, 30 days, and see if you like it. If you are not satisfied for any reason, just shout out a message and they will give you back 100% of your penny of your money. This is the quick overview of this training course that's called is Speedy List Profits. I hope guys you enjoy this video. Please like, comment, and share this video with your friends and family who actually struggling to build an email list. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe to my channel. Stay safe. Thank you, and see you soon in my next video.